computer system generally refers to a set of electronics hardware components assembled together for the purpose of performing some basic operation with much regard to speed and accuracy. Let us learn all together on how to disassemble a PC. First, remove the screw of the side cover, then wear an anti-static strap for your safety. After wearing it, remove all the connectors. Remove the power supply. Remove the hard disk drive and also the DVD drive. Remove the RAM. Remove the heat sink. Remove the processor. Lastly, remove the motherboard. Now, let's move forward to assembly. Firstly, put the motherboard inside the case. And when it's done, install the processor. Put the heatsink on the top of the processor and pin it in the motherboard. Now, align the RAM to its socket. Push down evenly with the thumb until the black latches arise to the closed position. After that, put the hard disk drive inside the case and put also the DVD drive inside the case. When you are done with it, put the power supply inside the case. Let us not forget to connect all the connectors. And lastly, cover the system unit, and that's how to assemble a PC. By building your own computer, gain you a lot of insight into the inner working of hardware components and how everything fits together. You will be able to troubleshoot if any problem arises later on much easier.